Create home screen widget on Xiaomi devices. Many style for free. Open Play Store. Install KWGT custom widget free version. Open app. Set permissions first time. Press and hold blank in home screen. Open widget screen. Android widgets. Add custom widget to home screen. Adjust widget size. Tap to setup. Discover new free packs widgets. You can install any pack you want. Example, I will install Feast KWGT pack. Exit to home screen after install. Clear recent applications. Tap to set up widget agent. Choose widgets from installed packs. There are many widget styles for you to choose from. Example, I choose this one. Tap icon to custom open applications. Save it. Allow all the time. Home screen widgets appeared. Hide this notification. Tap to change another widgets. Select any widgets you want. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.